of the Thai afternoon did not leave easily. It clung to the skin like a warm, heavy blanket. But as the sun dipped toward the Andaman Sea, the air finally began to change. We went out to go see the fire show next to our resort, in Al's resort. With the cool sand shifting under your feet, your eyes locked on the dark edge of the water. We could see the fire pots burning on the beach. The performers were ready to start their show.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. protection.